Hey guys, it's me Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new or just passing by, welcome as well. And if you like what you see, I would love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. I do have a giveaway coming up. I'm getting closer and closer. I'm at like 830 subscribers, I think. And once I hit that 1,000 mark, I am going to be doing, for me, a huge giveaway. It will be a luxury item. It will be probably a small leather good. So I'm so excited for that. I'm actually debating. I'd be interested to hear what you guys say. Would you guys like it if I go get the item now and show you what it is in anticipation of the giveaway? The giveaway won't be till I hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, but would you want to see what it is beforehand or be surprised when I get there? So let me know about that in the comments as well. A lot of what I'm sharing today is going to be skincare, makeup, some luxury, SLGs, things like that. So let's jump right in. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is my Dior Lash mascara. I got this recently. I think I got it in May, and I have been using it every single day. I love, first of all, let's just talk about the packaging. It's so cute. It's just like their lipsticks and their lip glosses. I just love the way it looks. It has a CD on the end for Christian Dior. It has Dior also on this side. I love this packaging. I think it's so sleek and so cute. It also, the way it's shaped and how it has the silver on the top, when it is in my big toiletry mixed around with all my other makeup, it's really easy for me to grab it and find it and throw it on. I really do like this. However, the only one complaint I would have is that it's really hard to get off. Even with like a face oil, it's hard to scrub off. So, but other than that, I really love it. You know, it does give me some extra oomph for my lashes, so that is definitely a favorite this month. The next thing I have to feature is my Creme Mane from Chanel. This is a hand cream. You just pop the lid off, and it has a little squirter. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Maybe if I do it like that. Can you see that little tiny squirt right there? You just squirt it out. I'll even show you what it looks like. It just comes out in a little thread. And this is so extra moisturizing. It feels amazing. It smells, it has a little soft, clean smell, but nothing too overpowering. They do also have this now in the Chanel No. 5 Low. So you can get it with that scent if you like that. I wanted to try it first in the, like the scent is pretty much gone now. So I wanted to try it first in the original before I got a scented one, and I really am loving this. It's perfect for down in your purse, and again, the packaging is super cute and it's very easy to find when you're looking for it in your bag. The next thing I'm going to share is such a favorite. This will be something that I repurchase again and again, I'm sure. This is my Chanel eyebrow pencil. It's called Stylo Sorcel Waterproof. It is for eyebrows and it is waterproof. The one side, really nice eyebrow brush. I can't think of the word for it right now. And the other side is a pointed eyebrow crayon. If you can see it right there, I just rolled it out. It also is self-sharpening, so you don't have to worry about it losing that shape. It is so easy. You just throw it on. The angled edge really helps, you know, style your eyebrows, and this to me is something that I will never be without at this point. I absolutely love it. Next up is a lip I've been loving. This is from Chanel. This is Rouge Allure Gloss, and this is in the number 15 Sensible. This is one that you click it, it pops down, and you pull it out. It is a really pretty pink, and this is actually what I have on right now. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great pink. I'm super into like Barbie pink lip gloss or lip glosses, lipsticks, and everything right now. So I really love this. I think the packaging is wonderful as well. The one thing about this, it doesn't last all day, but I don't mind because I like to reapply throughout the day anyways. So I love the little bit of color it gives your lips, and I think it's just a great summer color. Next up is my Chanel Le Beige eye palette in Deep. This is the Healthy Glow Natural Eye Palette. This is amazing. I wear this all the time. It does come with 2 little brushes. And then let me show you I've showed this before and I just love it. I think the colors are stunning. I wear this top color a ton just on my eyeshadow or on my eyes, and that'll be like the only thing I wear. Like when I go to work, I don't feel like I need to wear much more than that. It just gives me a nice natural look. If I'm going out, you know, I'll do a combination of the colors and I just think it looks okay. So next up, I want to share my another item from the Beige collection. This is my Healthy Glow Sheer Color. I have it in the number 40, and this, you guys, is everything. I've shared this a couple times already. It's just a really sheer, it has a lot of color, but it really is very sheer when you put it on. In the winter, I know I'll be a 30 for sure. This will be just a tiny bit too dark, but it is very sheer. It just goes on. It just makes your skin look natural and healthy, and I just absolutely love it. Moving on to the next item. These would be my RayBans. Hopefully you can't tell how filthy they are. I absolutely love these sunnies. I just think they are perfect for everything. Like, they are gold, but very, you know, they have a very thin frame. They go with everything. These are RayBans. I don't know if I said that. They're aviators. I just absolutely love these. I love the mirrored lens. I think they just look very classic, very, you can dress them up, dress them down. I wear them with yoga pants, and I also wear them going, you know, going out somewhere. So love, love, love these. The next item I want to share with you guys is another one you've seen probably 100 times if you've watched my videos. That would be my Chanel caviar card holder. This is the black caviar with the gold hardware, and I absolutely just love this. I take this with me everywhere. It fits all my essential cards. There's a slot in the middle also. I have several videos on this, so if you're interested, I'll link them up above as well as in the description box. And I think this is going to be the last piece, is my clay, my Louis Vuitton clay. I absolutely love this piece. Right now I'm just housing my car key in here, and I believe my house key may be in here as well. I love this. It is perfect grab and go. Perfect. I have keyless entry in my car, so I just leave it down in my purse. That way I know where it is. It's housed within this. It's not getting lost in the shuffle. This little guy is everything. I love having it. Yeah, that's all I have for this month. I wanted to try to keep it short and simple. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.